Good morning, caterpillars. Let's spell March. M-A-R-C-H. March. Here is our calendar today. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. And tomorrow will be Saturday. We have that green day up there. Saturday is part of the weekend where we do not come to school. Saturday and Sunday. Friday begins with this letter right here. What letter do you see? F. F-R-I-D-A-Y. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday, Friday, jump and hop, 'cause our school week is about to stop. Yay! Friday! It is a Friday today. Look at this number right here. We're right here on our calendar. We do not have many days left in March. And then we will start a new calendar. After March, we've already been in January, February, March, and then we're going to have April. Wow. Next week, we'll start April already. All right, so we're right here. We're going to figure out this number right here. It does come after number 25. What do you guys think it is? Could be. All right, we're going to start. Remember, we're working really hard. We're going to start with 13 today, and we're going to keep going on. All right, in your favorite snake voice. Are you ready? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Good job. It is the 26th of March, a 2 and a 6. We have been working on that A-A-B-B. So you tell me today what, right here, what comes next? I have butterfly, butterfly, bird, bird, butterfly, butterfly. Good. Sometimes we get to see the pattern and sometimes we don't. And so we have to try to figure out what comes next, don't we? All right, so in our area, we did have a cloudy day the other day. We did have a little bit of rain happen. We talked about that strong wind that came in through our area, and it was sunny in the afternoon. It seems the fog, this one on Wednesday, it was a really foggy day out in the morning, but it turned out to be a beautiful afternoon. All right, tell me where I have my horse. My horse is near the tree. My horse is far away from the house or the barn. My horse is on the barn. My horse is in front of the barn. My horse is next to the barn. Good. We're going to do some rhyming. I want you to tell me the word that rhymes with the word I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you two options. You tell me the two rhyming words. What rhymes with hat? Okay, what rhymes with hat? Is it bat or hare? Bat, hat. Good. What rhymes with car? So start thinking about what rhymes with car. Is it cup or star? What rhymes with car? Car, star. Good job. What rhymes with bug? Is it a rug or a bun? Bug, rug, bug, barn. What one rhymes? Bug and rug are rhyming words. Bug, rug. What rhymes with dog? Is it bin or hog? Dog, bin, dog, hog. Dog and hog are rhyming words. Good job. And sound. J, J. This cochran is stuck. Okay. Z, Z. F, F. D, D. Y, Y. T, T. R, N, N. S, S. I, Q, Qu. L, O, O, A, E, A. K, K, G, G, A, H, M, C, K, U, W, W, V, V, P, P, B, 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 like a baby. Good work. Say my numbers. 2, 4, 3, 5, 7, 6, 8, 10, and 9. Tucker needs your help today. So we are sorting by 2 different objects. We need to plant some things in our garden. And so we are going to plant things that begin with a Y over here. And what sound does Y make? Yeah. Good, like a little yappy kitten. Yeah. And what sound does V make? Get that motorcycle, go. All right, so we're gonna plant things into our garden. Help me decide where it should go, Y or V? Or you could say yeah or V at the beginning. Where would I put vacuum? Good, under the vacuum, V. How about yellow? Where would I put yellow? Under the yeah. Y. Y is for yeah. V. Where would I put, where would I put vegetables? These are vegetables. Let's plant them. Would I plant them with the yeah? Or would I plant them with the v? Good, I would plant them with the vacuum vegetables. They have the same beginning sound. Where would I plant this vulture? What garden? Would it be yeah or v? Good, I would plant him with the V because I heard vulture. Vulture. Where would I put my yo-yo? Would it be under the Y? Yeah, yellow or vacuum? Yeah, yo-yo. I would plant him in the Y because it makes the yeah sound. Yo-yo, yellow. They have the same beginning sound. Good. How about yawn? Where would I put yawn? Would it be under the Y or the V? Yeah, yawn. I did. Did you hear that sound? Yawn. Yo-yo. Yawn. Yo-yo. They had the same beginning sound. Good job. And I'm going to give this one is a vest. Sometimes people wear a vest outside over their clothes. Vest. Where would I put it? Is it a yes? Because that's what Y says, or a vest. Good. I would put it under the V. Make a V. Good. Because we know that it makes the V sound like vulture, vacuum, vegetables, and vest. And my last one right here, this is a yak. It is a big animal. It looks like a cow, but it has lots and lots of hair. We call this a yak. Where would I plant that one? Under the Y garden or the V? Good. I would plant it under the Y because Y makes what sound? Yeah. Good. And V makes the V sound. Okay. On a piece of paper today, you will be drawing on your piece of paper. I'm going to fold it this way, the long way. You see how it looks long. And right down the middle, I'm going to put a line. And on this side, I'm going to make my own little garden like a little farmer. Farmers also, very important that they have they plant different things. So in this side, I'm going to plant something that starts with V. And on this side, I'm going to plant something that starts with Y. So I have each of them in my garden. I have to come up with two different things. So on this side, I'm going to draw something that starts with V. Vegetables, maybe? Violin. Vacuum. And on this side, I'm going to draw something that starts with Y. What could I draw? Yellow. Yo-yo. All right. Upload your picture when you are done. All right. Again, thank you. You have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. I cannot wait to see your little gardens. Bye.